Okay, in this session, we'll be working through NeetCode150. Today's problem is contains duplicate from the arrays and hashing category. So the problem statement is, given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears more than once in the input array. Otherwise, return false. So we have an example here of input where we have a list of integers and the elements in the list are 1, 2, 3, 3. Obviously, 3, 3 is repeated. So in this instance, the output would be true. And there's a second example here where nums is a list of 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no duplicate values. Therefore, the output is false. So immediately when I hear duplicate, I think set, because a set cannot have duplicates. So we're going to use a set here. So let's get started writing some code. So I'm going to declare a set as s, so set. And then we're going to iterate through the values of nums. So for n in nums. So what we want to do is we want to see if any value that we are reviewing has already been encountered before. So we're going to say if n not in s, then we're going to add that element to the set. So we're going to do s.add, and we're going to add n. So again, this is if the number that we are reviewing has not been seen yet, add it to the set. Else, that means that we have seen the element, right? So I'm just going to add, maybe I'll add it appear if the element has not been seen, else if it has been seen. So else, if it has been seen, that means that we have duplicate values, which means that we can just return true. So we can return true. Now, if we have iterated through all the elements of the input list, that means that that there are no duplicate values, right? Each value is unique. So we can return false. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. It passes both test cases there. It's awesome. I'm going to submit. Great. So it passes. We're going to check the submissions and the complexity analysis. We can see that the time and space complexity are O of n. So this solution is efficient. Awesome. Well, I'll see you in the next one.